Guys, welcome back to another video and I hope you all are doing well. And today I'm back with another tutorials, that is our tutorials on Python turtle graphics. So I'm going to make a playlist, or I'm going to just make a course on our Python turtles that we can use it for graphic designing, right? Like not on a high level. We are just going to, we can use it for making games and some kind of graphics. So I'm just going to start it with scrap, and I also don't know that turtles very on a high level. I know basics, and I'm an intermediate in this field, right? So I'm just going to start it with scrap. So first of all, we are going to make our first what we can say, our square. We can basically say square, or we can say shape, right? So we are just going to make our first shape, square shape, using our Python turtle graphics. So just let me save this file as square.py. Done. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are just going to import first. Import from turtle, from the turtle, import star, right? So now we will say square one, like we are just going to make our first turtle dot tu turtle, right? Sorry, turt turtle. Okay, so what we have done is we have just created our turtle, right? So now we have to move this turtle, right, to make us shape. So we will say for I in range. Okay, we have four sides in we have four sides in square. So we have to run these for 4 times, right? Now what we have to do is for I in range 4. Okay, so now what we have to do is, so we have to move our turtle forward. Okay, we have created our turtle, now we have to move it forward. So what I will say, s1 dot forward. We can use ft, or we can just say forward, and we will move it 100 pixels. Okay, whatever we can we type over here, it is our pixel, right? Now I will say right s1 dot ri. Okay, ri, right. We have to make a 90-degree angle, right? Because square is a 90-degree angle, so we just said 90, right? Now what we will do is going down and finish our turtle, that is t turtle dot done. Okay, now we have finished our program. This much program we can by coding this much 9 lines, we can make our turtle, right? Just give me some seconds, it will run, right? Okay, here you can see our first shape, right? It is our square shape. So we made it, right? Now what we have done, we have just set our turtle to move forward for about 100 pixels, right? And then after that we have to we have to just give me a second, excuse me. What we have to do is we have to just tell our turtle to move about 90 degree, and then again go we have made it in loop, so it will again go for 100 pixels forward and again move 90 degree. Again it will go 100 pixels forward, again move 90 degree, and it will create a square, right? Now we are just going to create circle. So we'll just make our file, right? So we'll just save it and say circle, circle dot py, right? And I will save it. So this is pretty simple. Just we have to import it, right? Import from from turtle turtle import star. Okay, import star. And now what we are going to do is so we'll just make we'll just make our circle. So we'll say c1 is equal to turtle dot turtle. We have created our turtle, right? Then we will say we are basically defining radius. Okay, so 50 radius for our circle, right? Now we will say c1 dot circle, dir circle, and we will pass int. Okay, So I think it is done. So yes, it is done. Here we don't have to here we don't have to say turtle dot done, because we are just basically saying turtle to draw a circle. So we'll just say run, and here it is. We go. It is 50 radius. I don't know it's 50 radius or what. Okay, so it is the radius, right? Now if we increase the radius, if we'll say of 100, right, 100 radius, so it is of 100, so you can see it's very big, right? So now we are going to work on our star. So just we'll create a new file, we will save it, and we will say start star dot py, and then we will save it. Here also we are going to use our loops, and we are going to set turtle to go here and there, right? Okay, so as usual we'll say from from turtle import star, right? And then we will just create s1 is equal to turtle dot turtle, and then now here we are going to say s1 not right. We have to first of all move our we have to move the face of our turtle in our right direction for about 74 angle. So if you are good with angle, then you can create any shapes, right? So I'll just set 74 because I worked upon it and I know somewhat about angles, right? And then I will say s1 dot forward, and I will send my turtle forward for about 100 pixels, right? Then I don't have to pick up that pixel, or sorry, pick up that turtle from there. You have to just work from there only. So we'll just create a loop for I in range 4. Okay, because we have to run these commands, these two commands for 4 times. It's the same commands only, but different angles, because after that we have to move our turtle in a different angle, and we have to take this turtle for about 100 pixels only. Okay, so we'll just move it for 100 pixels, but we have to move this angle for about 144 degree, right? Because I will explain you, just when I will run it I will explain you, right? Then I will set s1 turtle done. Okay, now I'll run it. Here you can see. So what happened, first of all our cursor was here. Just give me 2 seconds, I have to do something. I'll just say s1 dot speed, I'll say 3. Okay, then I will run it. Here you can see, okay, 0 is the fastest, 10 is the slowest. I think so, it's something like that. Or 10 is the fastest, as 100. Okay, I don't have to say s1 dot speed turtle, turtle dot speed. I think it's good. I'll set 10. Now I'll run. Okay, so it was, I'm just messing up the things. Let me explain you like that only. What I'm trying to say is, first of all, our starting point was here where my cursor is, right? So from there we have told our turtle it was facing towards our left, right? Sorry, right. It was facing towards right. So I told my turtle to move about 75 degree and move forward. So it moved down over here. And then I told my turtle to move about 114 degree, right? So it moved upside over here, right? From here it moved like this, okay? And then it it gone for 100 pixels, again it moved for 144 degree, it gone this way, and then again it moved 144 degree, and then like this right here, and then it moved forward for about 100 pixels and reached at the ending point, right? And it created a star. So we have created star. It's all about angles. If you are good at angles and loops, you can make any shapes you wanted, right? So let's start to work on our new shape, that is our hexagon shape, and this is going to be very interesting. So we'll just say hex dot py because it has 6 sides, and we have angle, maximum angle till 360, right? So we are going to work on that only. So first of all, we'll import from turtle, import that, right? And then I will say hex is equal to turtle dot turtle, right? So we don't have to pass anything into it. So here we'll just say number of sites. So I'll say number of sites, NOS, number of sites, right, is 6. So hexagon has 6 sides. So that is why it is named hexagon, right? So we have 6, and we have to move our pixel, or we have to move our sorry, not polygon. We have to move our turtle for about 70 pixels forward, right? So we'll say on side length is equal to 70, right? Now we'll say angle, angle is equal to 360. Okay, so we have maximum 360 angles. So here is the main things, right? And we will divide it by our number of sides. So what will happen, it will automatically have angle, right? It will automatically divide these and will have a perfect amount of angle to be moved, right? So we don't have to give them how much amount the turtle should move. It will automatically take, because what we have done is we have just divided the total number of angle, like maximum number of angle, by the sides. So whatever will be the outcome will be our angle, right? So now we are just going to put it in our loop. So for I in range, we are going to say, oh sorry, for I in range 4, no 6. Here instead of 6, we will say number of sites, NOS. For I in range, okay, we don't need any space over here, whatever. Okay, for I in range, okay, I forgot in over there, so NOS, you just pass NOS into it, done, right? Then what we'll say, as usual, we will say hex dot forward will be our SL, right, side length. Okay, and then we'll say hex dot right, right, and we'll pass our angle into, right, angle, done. So now we will close our turtle. So we'll say turtle dot done. Everything is done, so turtle dot done, right? So now if I'll run it, let's hope the base it goes correct. Okay, it gone correct, and here you can see we have a perfect hexagon. So what we have done is we have just used some kind of trick. If I'll say 7 over here, it won't work perfect, because if we divide 7 with 360, it won't go correct. It's a pentagon. You can see if you increase the numbers over here, it will go perfect. See, it's like going well. Yeah, we can create any shapes. If you will say 10, also you can go. See, like this we can make a circle too. If I'll say 100, it's a small line of circle. Oh, okay, it will be a very big circle, because they have if you divide 100 by 360, it is 36, right? So the angle will be of 36, and it will just go on a big circle, right? It will make a big circle. It will make circle, but our screen won't have it, just some small part of it. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe.